Forget about chicken wings. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are cooking a healthier alternative. We are making our oven-roasted Sriracha honey buffalo cauliflower. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Preheat oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a sheet pan with foil and spray it with nonstick spray. To make batter, add flour to a large bowl. Also add garlic powder, smoked paprika, Creole seasoning, salt and pepper. Pour in milk too. Whisk to combine. Set batter aside. Take a moment to like and share this recipe. Check out our channel for other meatless recipes. We hope you give them a try. Also, subscribe below so you know when we release new recipes. Cut head of cauliflower. Into florets. Place florets into batter. And evenly coat them. If needed, do this step in batches. What veggies do you substitute for meat dishes? Let us know by commenting below the video. Place coated florets onto prepared sheet pan. Roast in oven 15 minutes. Spray cauliflower with nonstick spray. Roast in oven an additional 10 minutes. To make sauce, pour sriracha, hot sauce, vegetable oil, and honey into a bowl. Whisk until combined. If you have enjoyed this recipe, like and share it. Also, you can help our channel grow by clicking subscribe below the video. Remove cauliflower from oven. Grab the sauce. Evenly coat florets with the sauce. Allow cauliflower to rest 3 to 5 minutes. And serve. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.